Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm trying these holographic mold by Let's Resin, and I received this mold for some time now, and I wanted to do something different with them, but ideas were not coming to my mind. So today I thought, well, why not try this? So it comes with instructions and care instructions and what's all the things that Let's Resin offer. So there are so many amazing craft stuff they have, so you can check their website. I have discount code available in my description, so you can treat yourself. So let's check out these holographic mold. So they come in set of 4, and I have 2 in this design. It's a crisscross sort of design, and let's see the other one. So this other one is a bit on the, you can say, intricate side, and they are really pretty. You all know that I love holographics so much. So I thought, why not try polyurethane resin in them, because I haven't tried this resin in holographic molds. So these are the colors that I will be trying to mix into the polyurethane resin. And I will be also using this mica, bronze mica. So I have mixed my polyurethane resin. It's 1:1 ratio resin, and you have only 6 to 7 minutes of pot life. So you have to work quickly, and you have to work in advance that what you will be doing with your project. So yeah, so here I'm mixing, and just I think 2 minutes is enough. And after that I will be dividing this mixture into 2 cups, because I'm thinking of doing a bit color. To one of it I will be adding this brown pigment. So I added few drops into the resin here, and I will be adding some mica in it as well. So I haven't used mica into the polyurethane resin before, so it's just something I'm doing my first time. So I hope it do mixes, because I know I can mix pigments, but I don't know about the mica. Also, I'm in such a hurry that I don't want my resin to cure. So something I did find that my mica was not mixing properly, but I had to pour it also, because I could see that it's starting to get, it's in a curing position now. So I quickly just added it into the mold, because I have to add color into the other one also. So quickly I added this. It's sort of a pale pink pigment that I'm adding to the my mixture of white. So I added few drops. So I didn't notice any color change. So I don't have any more time to work with it, so I had to pour it quickly. And you can see that the mica is floating up on the other coaster. I could see that. So I'm mixing with my popsicle stick to see that if I can mix it, but I don't think so it can be mixed. So it's okay, we'll see. Hopefully it turn out into a marble sort of effect. And I leave it to cure. So after 30 minutes, it's all cured now. So let's demold. This is the first one. So I was a bit on curious side that my molds should not be damaged, but they are well and good. So with this one, I think I was pouring, and between pouring, I think the resin was getting harder. So something happened here, but the molds are safe. So yeah, but I'm excited to see if it is holographic or not. So yeah, here we go, and I can see such a beautiful holographic effect on this white one. I always use dark colors for holographic. I have never used white for white, or any light colors for the holographic effect. So this turned out beautiful as well. I can see a sort of coffee look in it because of the pigment. The mica powder didn't mix in properly, but still I'm loving it. The combination, the sweet and soft colors. So now I will be doing my favorite thing in the world, applying gold foil. So I will be applying this gilding glue on the edges of these coasters because I wanted to do something a bit different with them. For this I will be using a silver champagne foil, and I love that color of the foil. It gives such a beautiful elegant effect. So for now I'm just applying this glue on the edges of these coasters. So I will apply it all and then I leave it to dry so it gets sticky. So after a few hours it's sticky now and it's dried. So this is the champagne silver foils. I got this from Etsy, so I will link that in my description. So this is in between the golden and the silver color, so it's such a beautiful foil color. So picking up the foil and I will be putting it onto the gilding glue that's been dried. So the process is really simple. I just apply it and then after that I will be using a soft brush to remove the excess foil. And putting up the tiny pieces that I can see on the places that are left. And for the second one I'm doing the same thing again. And after that we will see the final look. So this is the final look and I just love how they turned out. Really soft coasters and the holographic with a hint of holographic coming on, and the foil did somehow attach itself to the sides of the coaster, so it's giving such a beautiful effect totally, as you can see. So all in all these coasters were a success and I so love doing them on light backgrounds, yet so soft, and with that foil I'm just loving them. So I hope you like them, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and any suggestions and tips are always welcome. I really love to read your comments. I do try to reply as soon as possible. So it's all because of you I create, and I have the confidence. It's really, the credit goes to all of you, so thank you so much. So like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.